Hey guys, Davin here at brewbits.com. Now, if you remember, a few weeks back we brewed up one of these little beauties, a Mangrove Jack's Brewer Series cider kit. And I said I would do a little tasting video, and here's a bottle that I've got here. So, I thought we'd pop one open. Now, it is clear. You can see the sediment down in the bottom. That's just all the condensation where I've just taken it out of the fridge. So let's have a go. Oh, a little bit of a... There we go. Right, so let's get pouring. A little bit of fizz, not a huge amount. And of course my pint glasses don't have the nucleation points at the bottom, so you don't get much of those bubbles rising to the top. Yep, there we go. Just caught the sediment in the last moment. But there we go, let's have a look at that. That is gorgeous and clear. Now, when I was bottling this, I had a quick cheeky taster. I think I might have had a few too many of these already today. And I was saying it was like a dry, light strongbow that you get when you're abroad. So let's have a taster. Okay, not a huge amount of aroma on this one. Yeah, I'm going to stick with what I said before. It's got a dryness to it. It's got a gentle appleiness to it. A gentle appleiness to it. And it's, yeah, it is. If this was over fizzed, over carbonated, like you get normal ciders when they serve to you in the pub, that would be very much like a strongbow cider. That's really interesting. That is really easy to drink though. That's quite refreshing. It looks flat. It's not flat. There are bubbles coming up through. And as I said to you, because there's no nucleation points in the bottom of this glass, there's very, very little bubbles coming up through. If this was something like a Thatcher's glass or something like that, or a Strongbow glass, that would be fizzing away and you'd be getting loads and loads of bubbles on the top. I can tell you that because when I hit it on my tongue, all the fizz comes out of it. Really, really nice. But yeah, it's a really, really easy drinking cider. Now, in some of our other videos you've seen me do, I've taken 2 cans of John Bull or 2 cans of this and 2 cans of that and done the put them together with no added sugar. I reckon that if I do the 2 pouches of this with no added sugar into 23 litres, we are going to get a cracking cider, and that could possibly be my new favourite cider to go to. But that means I'm going to have to make it, and I have to try it, and I'm going to have to film it, and then I'm going to have to drink it. Hey! Right, so if you've made one of these, let me know down in the comments below. Tell me what you think. Have you added the sweetener sachets that was in here? Did you make it really, really sweet? Did you not add the sweetener sachet like us and got this really nice, dry, Strongbow-esque cider? Let me know how yours turned out. But for now, yeah, I think in the very near future, I'm going to do a 2-can or a 2-pouch version of this and see how that turns out as well. But for now, happy brewing, cheers, and enjoy your Mangrove Jack's Brewer Series ciders. Cheers.